Hey, you know what will help those scattered thoughts? Sleep. Yeah, if there was one simple thing that you could do to improve your memory, lose weight, even decrease your chances of developing Alzheimer's or heart disease, would you do it? Yeah, there's a solution, and it's free. Get more sleep. Doctors tell us all the time. I tell them all the time. What's up with this? I know, it's easier said than done, right? Dr. Sharice Wiley with Baylor Scott & White Health is here to share some tips on how you can get more shut-eye. First of all, adults, at least 7 hours.
Yes, very important.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, they did a study and they found that people who had less than 6 hours consistently had an increase in mortality rate.
Ooh.
And so it's really important. I don't know if people truly understand the impact of sleep deprivation on their health. There's so many different things that we can see. You know, cognitively, you will have short and long-term memory loss. You can have trouble concentrating, trouble completing tasks, and you know, that brain fog that you get. And emotionally, we see more patients with anger issues, you know, anxiety and just problems, you know, coping. You can even lose impulse control when you haven't had good sleep. And it also affects bodily functions. It can, like you said, cause weight gain, even increase your risk of type 2 diabetes.
Well, because of that inflammation,
yes,
right?
That's right. That's right. It can do so many different things.
What happens when you sleep? I mean, your cells are
regenerating.
Yes,
and it's giving you clear thoughts. You know, it's so good for your overall body. It can increase if you don't get enough sleep. You can even increase your blood pressure. So there's so many benefits.
Well, and I know we just had daylight saving time.
Yes.
So does 1 hour less really make a difference?
It truly can. It truly can make a difference because, you know, sometimes, you know, people think that they can make up their sleep on the weekends, but that sleep debt, you know, that we talk about when we talk about how you lose an hour, it really does make a difference because you still kind of get caught in that rut of not falling asleep, and those things, those health detriments that you can cause, they don't go away.
I mean, I completely agree. When I don't get a full like 8 or at least 7 hours, I feel different.
You can
I feel
tell
like
a difference.
I look different, you know, my face gets a little puffy.
And you know what
that.
else to sort of
my
bring
mood,
up?
I get angry.
That's right. That's right. You do. Kind of like a baby, you get cranky.
Yeah.
But one thing to bring up, because it's, you know, it's cough and cold season, you want to boost your immune system. So when you don't get enough rest, you even lower your immune system and you're more susceptible to viral infections.
Yeah.
So,
okay, so we got to sleep. How do we do it then?
Yes. So one thing I like to refer to these as good sleep hygiene. The things that I refer to my patients, I tell them the enemy of good sleep is electronics. You want to power down. I suggest 1 to 2 hours. And the reason why, those bright lights actually inhibit the good sleep hormone melatonin. And so it tricks your body into thinking that it's daytime. So you want to power down on your electronics.
No food a couple hours beforehand.
You want to avoid heavy meals. If you're drinking alcohol, you don't want to drink right before bed because even one cocktail can cause you to have trouble sleeping. And one of my favorite things is exercise. You want to make sure you're exercising. If you exercise 30 minutes before, within the day, not within 3 hours of going to sleep, you can also have good rest and keep a good routine.
Yes,
that's really important.
Routine is key.
Yes, you can have sort of your going to bed routine. You know, you may decide to stretch or take a warm shower, but this signals, this signals to your brain it's time to rest. It's time to go to sleep.
And your body will respond, and then you'll love the mornings.
That's right.
You won't hate them.
It really does have a big impact on health. So I encourage our viewers.
Let's try it,
7 to 8 hours.
That's a good New Year's resolution.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.